the key question, I think, is if you agree that it is the tip of the spear of the Mag 7, which is keeping this market up, if we see them start to slow spend on CapEx, on data centers, et cetera, we've got a problem, no?
Well, I mean, you're right to the extent that the weighting in these big tech stocks is so high that it's keeping the market up. But there's been other areas that have done very well that have driven, even before this sell-off, okay? The Mag 7 were not outperforming. It was the rest of the stocks, financials. But as financials became part of the kind of the momentum trade, as momentum has sold off, it's brought down some of the financials, but I think that's a very good place to look at. So I'm not in the camp that says the market cannot go up unless these Mag 7 stocks work. That has certainly been the case in 2023, 2024, but that wasn't the case going into this kind of sell-off. I think there are other areas that will work, and I still look at some of these big banks and say, why are they trading at still 30% discounts to the overall market? I mean, if big banks, premier banks in the United States are 14 times earning, the market's at 22, I think that's crazy. And so I think that valuation premium is going to close because I think the mega cap will probably continue to struggle because they're too expensive, and I think there's other areas that will do well. So when you mention data centers, I know a lot of funding has gone into data center build out. It has been a very speculative area. And so when you get news like, Microsoft saying maybe they're not so much, it's not a commentary on Microsoft, it's a commentary on how much money is chased into, the data centers, and that there's too much heat in that area, and those stocks were expensive.